Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So today's topic is AWS CloudWatch. Okay, so we will be discussing about what is AWS CloudWatch and how we can use and why we use AWS CloudWatch and what is the purpose. So what is the advantage of AWS CloudWatch and what kind of parameter we can monitor and what are the metrics available in AWS CloudWatch. Okay, so first we have to understand requirement of CloudWatch. So understanding what's the need of monitoring, logging and alert. So why we need this, for why we need to monitor, logging and alerts. So logging and monitoring are both valuable components to maintaining optimal application performance. It means whenever our application is running in any environment, then we should get the logs of that our application, and we need to monitor the availability of our application. So how much time it is available, it's getting down or not, it's always up or not, what is the exact performance of our application, like that. So using a combination of logging tools and real-time monitoring system help improve observability and reduce the time spent sifting through log files to determine the root cause of performance problems. Okay, so by using logging and monitoring, we can determine where the root cause, if our server is getting down and any issues is triggering, then we can log in our system or we can find the logs. And using monitoring, we can see what kind of alert is getting triggered and what is the root cause. Okay, so now coming to the CloudWatch. What is CloudWatch? So Amazon CloudWatch is a monitoring service. Whatever application you have running on AWS, you can monitor using AWS CloudWatch. Monitoring service to monitor your AWS resources as well as the application that you run on AWS. Okay, so you can monitor your application as well as the resources which is running on the AWS. So CloudWatch can monitor things which like this. What things can CloudWatch monitor? So we have two parameters. One parameter is compute. So under compute we have EC2 instances, auto scaling group, elastic load balancer or application load balancer, route 53 health checks, it's also monitored, and in storage and content delivery, EBS volume, storage gateway and CloudFront, CloudWatch and EC2 also. So another level of parameter it monitor. So this one is the most important one. We are always using this one in most of cases. So one thing it can monitor CPU, memory, disk, status check and network. So apart from it, advantage of CloudWatch. So CloudWatch is used for monitoring performance. CloudWatch can monitor most of AWS as well as your application that run on AWS. You can have 1 minute of intervals by using on detailed monitoring, and you can create CloudWatch alarm which trigger notification. So I will be showing you in the real time how we can create alert, alarm and what are the services comes under AWS CloudWatch. So what are the feature of CloudWatch? So how CloudWatch work exactly? So first it collect the metrics from whatever the application is running, then it monitor that application according to the whatever metrics it have collected, and its act. If the status is okay, then it will not trigger any alert, and if the status is not okay in alarm, then it will create an alert and analyze. It's also analyze the state of our application. How does AWS CloudWatch work lab? So now we are already gone through the theory session, theory topics. So now we are going to see the lab session. Okay, so let me jump to the AWS console. Here I am in AWS console. We have to search for CloudWatch. So let's click on it, open it. Let me log in. So I have logged into the AWS console now, and we can see here the services metrics available under CloudWatch. So we have one alarms, in alarm, state and billing, all alarm and billing. So alarm is how many alarms we have created. In alarm means how many alarm we have created, that is in alarm, according to the what parameter we have chosen while creating the alarm. So whenever like a state is not okay, then it will show in alarm, and in all alarm it will show all the alarm we have created. In billing section it will create like it's help us to create billing alarm. So suppose if you have like a budget of 1k dollar, and you can create alarm for 1k dollar using this billing alarm. Okay, and if the like utilization of the cost utilization is going beyond 1k, then alert will be triggering. Logs group, here we can like collect logs from any application or resources. For metrics, here we can select metrics. And X-ray, it's also like it's allow us to debug the findings under our application. Events, so we can create rules and events under events. Application monitoring, so we can use these things to monitor our applications. So let me go to the alarm, click on all alarm, create alarm, select matrix. So we can select any matrix, for instance metric, and like see CPU utilization. Here we have one CPU utilization, so we can select it. Here we can see the namespace, metrics name, standard, statics, average, period of time. You can choose up to 10 seconds to 1 day, or you can do custom as well. And here threshold, static and anomaly detection. Okay, so here whenever CPU utilization is greater than and equal to lower or equal to lower. Okay, so mostly cases we are using greater than and equal to, like 70%. If I am defining here 70%, then like whenever the CPU utilization going beyond 70% or it's equal to 70%, then the alert is going to trigger. Then click on next and in alarm, and I already have some topic here, so I will not create any topic. So CloudWatch alarm trigger any alert using SNS topic. Okay, so I don't think I have any topic here, so create new topic. I am giving my mail ID, so I will be getting the alerts, sorry. So I have already created the endpoint, the SNS topic, and we have to hit on next. Alarm name, so CloudWatch demo alarm. Okay, so now hit in next, then click on create alarm. Okay, so the alarm is got created. So in order to that, we will be getting like here we will be getting one subscription to confirm. Let me check that. So I didn't get that, I don't know why till now. Let me refresh it. Okay, let me check here. So this warning you can see, once we subscribe the subscription of SNS topic, this warning will be gone, and it's showing the state is insufficient data because of my instance is not running. So that's why. And like if your instance is running, then the state will be available and okay after 5 minutes, after the whatever the periodic cycle you have chosen while creating the alarm, the state will be changed after that specific period of time. Okay, so apart from it, billing, here we can create alarm for billing section. Okay, so estimated charges USD maximum and greater than or equal to, we can give 1000, and currency is USD. So you have to remember it, you can't change it into INR, so don't try to do that. So I have given this 1000. So we have to click on alarm. The simple as I have shown you previously, you just have to do like that. So in billing and log group, so you can collect log from your application or any services which is running. So click on it, give the log group name, any name, and retention never expire, and whatever you want, you can choose 10 year or something like that, never expire, or KMS key ARN. You have to provide here KMS key ARN, so that key will be capturing all the log from your application. Okay, then you can just hit on create and it will create the log group. Okay, log inside, this is also same kind of things using like log group. And metrics, under metrics, what are the metrics, pre-metrics available under CloudWatch? So this define this, this metrics define this. So this many metrics available by default in CloudWatch. So EBS, usage, EC2, logs, SNS. So these are the default metrics. So if you have like other services running like RDS, VPC or something like that, load balancer, then you are going to get some more default metrics according to the services you have running in your AWS region. So I am here in North Virginia region, US East 1. Okay, and service map, service map allow us to debug what is happening under our application. If some issue is triggering under our application, then we can check our X-ray and X-ray log, and it will like make easy for us to detect the issue in quick manner. So event, we can create rule here. So yeah, we can create rule, and we can define what are the parameters should be allowed or what parameters should be not allowed according to that. So we can create. So let me open. And application monitoring. So you can use service map, resources health, internet monitor, synthetic canaries. So canaries, using canaries you can monitor your application. Just you have to use blueprint or inner editor or import from S3. Heartbeat monitoring, API canary, broken link checker or canary recorder, GUI workflow builder, visual monitoring. So if you have to monitor any website like Google or whatever like domain, and you are working for a specific project, then you have a specific domain name that you want to monitor, then you can just go and use a blueprint, and you can here blueprint. In blueprint you can use heartbeat monitoring, and you can give your canary a name, and you have to give here like domain name, complete URL, and you just have to click on create. And if you want, then you can create alarm as well. So whenever your application is getting down, it will trigger an alert. Okay. So apart from it, we have internet monitor. So we can create our internet monitor name. We can define, add resources, whatever resources you want to monitor, and select percentage of traffic, and you can monitor like how much percentage traffic is going to that resource. Okay. And service map, whatever the service you want to monitor, and the parameter you can select according to that only. So, and resources health, you can create resources health metrics to monitor your resources health. So what are the your current health of resources like EC2, load balancer, auto scaling, and any other services you can monitor using this metrics. So I hope you found my video informative. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and keep supporting. If your any friends is want to learn AWS, then please share with them, and I will be back soon with another video. Thanks for watching. If you have any query, then please put them in the comment section. I will be happy to assist you.